Welcome, today I am in Fiat 500 and I will show you how you can change display brightness. So when you are here on the display, we have to tap on the settings icon. Next we have to choose display, and right now we have to switch from the automatic mode to the manual, and here we are able to adjust display brightness when the headlights are turned off. So we can make it by tapping on the plus and the minus right here. And also we can adjust the display brightness where the headlights are turned on, but I'm going to turn on them. As you can see right now, this option is still not available, so I don't know what it is, maybe some kind of the bug, but in my case unfortunately it's not working. But yeah, that's how you can adjust the brightness of your display when the headlights are turned off. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.